In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Sodium mod for Minecraft 1.21.6 on your Mac. Before we get started, you will need to have Java installed to your Mac, so if you don't have it already, I will leave that guide linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is to download the Minecraft files so we can install Sodium later. So to do this, you want to open your Minecraft launcher, and then in the versions drop down menu, you want to select 1.21.6 and click on play. Once Minecraft has loaded, this means the files have been downloaded, so you want to click Quick Game, and now we go ahead and install Fabric so we can install Sodium later. Now we just need to download the Fabric installer so we can install Fabric mods. So to do this, you want to open your web browser, and you want to go to fabricmc.net, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here you want to click on the download button, and then you want to click on download installer, and then you want to download it to your Mac. So for this example, I'm going to download it to my desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API so our mods can work. So to do this, you want to click on the Fabric API link below the download button, and this will take you to the CurseForge website. From here you want to scroll down slightly, and you want to click on the Files tab, and then you want to scroll down again, and you want to find the Fabric API version for your Minecraft version. So for example, it's 1.21.6, so we're going to click on that. Now you want to scroll down again, and you want to click on the download button, and then after about 5 seconds, the download should automatically begin. Once it begins, you then want to go ahead and save it to your Mac, so again, I'm going to save it to my desktop. So now we've got the Fabric installer and the Fabric API downloaded, we just need to download the Sodium mod. So to do this, we're going to open our web browser, and you want to go to a modding website of your choice, and for this example, we're using modroof.com. Once you're here, you want to scroll down, and you want to click on Discover Mods, and then you want to go ahead and find the Sodium mod, which is right here. So we're going to click into it, and once you're inside the mod page, you want to click on the versions tab at the top, and then you want to select the mod version for your Minecraft version. So for example, it's 1.21.6. Now it's very important we select the one with the Fabric label, which this one does, as we are installing it using Fabric. So you want to click on this version, and then inside the mod version, you want to click download, and then again you want to download it to your Mac, so I'm going to download it to my desktop. So now we've downloaded everything, we just need to go ahead and install Fabric. So to do this, you want to right click on the Fabric installer, and you want to click on open. If you get this error message, it means we need to approve it through the system settings. So to do this, you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and in the drop down menu, you want to select system settings. Once you're inside the system settings, you want to scroll down until you find privacy and security, and inside that menu, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the Fabric installer here, and you want to click on open anyway. Again, you want to click on open anyway, and then you need to enter in your Mac password or Touch ID, and after a couple of seconds it will open and it will look like this. From here you want to go ahead and click on the client tab at the very top, and in the Minecraft version menu you want to make sure it's 1.21.6, and for the loader version we can keep it as the latest version. Now you want to make sure create profile has been selected like this, and once you're ready you want to click on install. After a couple of seconds, Fabric will be successfully installed to Minecraft. So you want to click OK, and exit out of the Fabric installer, and now you can go ahead and delete it from your Mac if you'd wish to do so. So now we've installed Fabric, we just need to install the Fabric API and our Sodium mod. So to do this, you want to open your Minecraft launcher, and then you want to click on installations at the very top, and you should now see the Fabric loader. If you don't see this, you want to restart your Minecraft launcher. From here, you want to click on the file icon next to the Fabric loader, and this will open up your Minecraft files. So from here, you want to find the mods folder and tap into that, and now you simply want to drag and drop the Fabric API and the Sodium mod into this folder like this. Once we've done that, you want to exit out of the game files, and now we'll go ahead and play Minecraft with Sodium. So you want to click on the play tab at the top, and then in the versions drop down menu, you want to select the Fabric loader, and you want to click on play. Once Minecraft opens, you know you've installed Fabric and the Sodium mod correctly because it will say your Minecraft version with modded in brackets in the bottom left hand corner. Now in order to access our Sodium mod video settings, you want to click on options, and then you want to select video settings, and now you can go ahead and configure the Sodium mod. If you want to get better performance, I recommend lowering the render distance and the simulation distance, as these have the biggest impact on your frame rate. I also recommend going into the quality tab at the top, and then changing your graphics from fancy to fast. However, everything else can stay the same. Once you're ready, you want to click on apply and click on done, And now you can go ahead and start playing Minecraft just as you normally would. As you can see, we've just loaded into our Minecraft world, and now we can start playing Minecraft with the Sodium mod just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.